Line jumping is not allowed. Line jumping includes pulling a spot in line for another guest or other members of your group, or being replaced in line for your drink or take a restroom break and return to the same spot. During the ride, please keep your hands and legs inside the log all the time. Please remain seated upright, facing forward, with your back against the seat back. Facing forward, with your back against the seat back. Follow these instructions. There can be up to 4 persons per log, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. The logs do not stop while in the station. However, if you need us to stop them,